Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you my Adsterra payment proof. So I recently withdrew my money from Adsterra. So Adsterra is one of the ad network that can use to monetize your blog, and they have been so good and working effectively for me in the past few months. So I've cashed out. This is the second time I'm cashing out on Adsterra. So you can also use that particular ad network. I have some videos on my channel on how to sign up on Adsterra, how to integrate Adsterra ad codes on your blog, and some Adsterra high payment CPM ad formats. So, but before that, if today is your first time of visiting my channel at bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. So let me move over to my screen and show you my recent Adsterra payment proof so that you can believe that these people actually work and you can use that and utilize them on your blog. That payment proof. So let me first of all go to my mail and show you the mail they sent to me. So I just got the mail, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, that they are okay. How you can see, this is on 18th, right? 18th of January. So this is service at intel.paypal.com. So let me open it. Ad Market Limited has sent you. Ad Market is payment gateway used by Adsterra. So they just sent me my 22.223.33 USD. So this is transaction date and all that. So let me also go to my PayPal. Let me go to my Adsterra account. Let me go there. This is my Adsterra account and it's opening. So let me see how much. Let me see what's happening there. So let me zoom this a little bit. Although I recently stopped. I removed all the Adsterra code on my blog because of Facebook wahala. So these amounts I have made so far on Adsterra. As you can see, I've earned this. They have paid me this. This is the second time I'm getting payment from them. I also have a further bonus. This is the balance. So let me go back to my profile. Let me go to payments. History. They say on the 18th of July 2023, they sent $223 fee because I'm using PayPal. So this is my PayPal email. So this is what they made just recently. So as you can see. So and their payment period, they paid twice every month. They paid on 1st to 2nd and on 16th to 17th of each month. That's their payment when they disburse their payment. So there are so many payment options actually. So let me go to my profile and know whether I can change my payment options. So I can show you some payment options available on Adsterra. So if you go to preferred payments, okay, let's go to preferred payments. So they have PayPal and the minimum is $100. They have web money, they have wire transfer and maximum. So these are ways through which you can withdraw your money from Adsterra. So they are actually sending your money to your bank account. If you request for that, if you request for withdrawal, they will automatically send your money to your preferred payment method. So if you find any usefulness in this video, please do well to share this video with your friends and family, and also check my channel for other good content out there that I can use to monetize your blog. So thanks for watching this video.